We're going to create a Google map with some annotation on it. And first off, we're going to make sure we're signed into our Google account. And make sure you see your icon up here and all the little grid right here. This is my little icon, so I know I'm signed in. You can go to google.com/maps, hit to maps, or you can also click up here when you're in your Gmail and go to more, and there are Google Maps. It takes me back to the same place. Once you're in your Google Maps, on this little grid, three-line horizontal menu here, click here, go down to My Maps, and down at the bottom you'll see a Create Map. Untitled Map is the name of my map. If I click on Untitled Map, I can now change the name. So I'm typing in a title and a description, clicking on Save. Notice those are reflected here. Don't worry about the import. That's only if you had some data from a spreadsheet, like a CSV file or a map file name, which is called KLM, but we're not going to bother with that. We just want to add something right here. So I am going to type in an address because I want to locate that and add some information. There it piles up right here. So it takes me right to where I want to go. I'm going to click on Add to Map. And right here is now where I can actually edit, the style of that button. I can change it to purple or blue, etc. to change my little icon. I can change the look of the icon from a star to a diamond to a square to the more normal map shape. There are more icons here if they were appropriate to your map. Notice there are many icons that you could use if you wanted to put, if it was sunny. There's your new little icon. But I'm going to use the standard one in red. Here, if I click on the Edit button, I can now change information. And I could add info here, save. I can upload a picture or video. Let's say if I knew the URL, if I went to YouTube here, I could do a search for YouTube. I'll call it Pine Lake, Georgia, and just see if I can find a video. Here's one. Here, most of these are places for sale. Here's the Oktoberfest 2010. Oh, here's a flash mob. I was actually there for that one. So now I click Save and Close right here. I don't have to save it right now. It's going to save it automatically. But there's my, if I come in here and click on this map, it's going to show my video. It's going to show the info I put in there. I can change the info. I can put directions to here if I need to, or I can delete this feature right here. If I click on here, Lake Flash Mob. Okay, save. There we go. Close it out. And now I have this basic map that is in my Google All Changes Saved in Drive. Okay? That's your basic map. Of course, I can add other pins in here as well. If I click on here, add a marker, then I become a little crosshair, and I click on Stone Mountain. I go Stone Mountain, world's largest piece of exposed granite. Save. I want to add a photo. I'm going to do a Google image search for Stone Mountain. And here's your good one right here. I'll select that one. There it is. Save. I can also make this one different from the other one, the marker that is. There's my map. I can now use this URL to share it right here if I wanted to. Okay, I can also go back to my Google Maps and search for my maps as well. I go back here, there's the map right here. I click on that one. That's where I'm from, not where I live. Here's where I live, right there. There's my map, etc. There's my URL that I can just open up another tab and then put that in there, and it'll take me to my map. That's it.